second round of clapping, I will begin to tell what is my intention, what is my purpose. So when a group of 300 students, if it is 1000, it is even better. 10,000, it is even more better. Experiment will be more and more perfect. Larger the number of samples, number of participants, this experiment would be way more successful than a small audience. Okay, so 300 students. Second round of clapping. The clapping goes from discrete frequency, that each individual will be clapping at their own frequency. Every individual will come to a cohesive frequency in about 9 to 12 seconds of clap. So as the clapping progresses, the entire class will accumulate into one single frequency. That's the fun of clapping. And that is resonance. The class will resonate, and we do not control anyone else's clap. Each of us will subconsciously come to the same frequency. We are in resonance. I am in resonance with everyone else in the class, and that resonance stays for a while and then it will die off. That is why my third experiment, clap again. By then they started enjoying, and it's so much fun and people are laughing, but the clap is coming again, clap again. So it goes through the peak, acquires that frequency, and then it tapers off, and then I will say, this is precisely what my intention is, to tell you that we collectively, we come in resonance, we agree to a common frequency of the class, and that will persist for a while and then it will die off. And this is precisely what happens when two waves overlap. If the frequency of